Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Edge power steering problem and the potential problems behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Power steering problems in the Ford Edge are commonly described as heavy or stiff steering, intermittent loss of steering assist, warning messages related to steering, noise during turning, or steering feel changing at different speeds. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive steering system data indicate that steering assist concerns can occur across multiple Ford Edge model years, with relevance depending on steering system type, electronic control design, and vehicle configuration. This issue does not affect all vehicles and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves electric power steering system operation. Faults within the steering assist motor, control module, or related sensors can reduce or interrupt steering assistance. Another confirmed cause relates to electrical power or voltage stability. Low system voltage, battery condition issues, or charging system irregularities can affect electric steering performance. Steering angle or torque sensor behavior is also a documented factor. Incorrect or inconsistent sensor input can cause the system to limit or disable assist as a protective measure. Wiring integrity and connector condition are another verified consideration. Damaged wiring, corrosion, or loose connections can interrupt communication between steering components and control modules. Mechanical steering component condition is an additional confirmed aspect. Binding, wear, or internal resistance within the steering rack or column can affect steering effort even when assist is available. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include software calibration issues, recent battery replacement affecting system relearn, or temperature-related electronic behavior. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include scanning for steering-related diagnostic codes, checking battery and charging system health, inspecting wiring and connectors, verifying sensor inputs, and performing software updates or system recalibration when applicable. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and steering system-specific requirements. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Edge power steering concerns are resolved through electrical system correction, software updates, or component-level service rather than full steering replacement. Outcomes vary by model year, steering system design, and vehicle condition. In conclusion, Ford Edge power steering problems are typically linked to electric assist system behavior, electrical power stability, sensor input accuracy, wiring integrity, or mechanical steering component condition. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.